Go ahead, Will. This next one's yours for sure.
Okay. Well, this is a Reddit clip of the day. Involves Elden Ring. And it's about a hard boss. This guy beats it with literally a sliver of health left. And he defeats it, goes into his menu, probably getting loot or changing his weapons.
Okay.
And a goat comes out of nowhere and just bashes him, and he dies.
So you got random goats in the game that just deal you like
Aggressive
a tiny.
goats.
They just deal you a tiny bit of damage if you stand still too long.
I guess
They don't
so.
usually attack you. I've never been attacked by a goat.
It's so rude, these goats.
A feral goat.
Yeah, because I feel like in reality, obviously this game is not reality, but a goat is going to try to steer clear of you for the most part. It's not going to come across a field, just give you a bump and kill you. I mean, but that's the beauty of the game, I guess. The game is hard to play, right?
Yeah,
That's the
he was
point.
fighting a giant,
Yeah.
probably a boss or a mini boss, and then to just get stuck by a goat.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful metaphor,
And
isn't
the
it?
goat walks away.
Isn't it? Right? You know, you spend your whole life building up a fortress, then you slip on a banana peel.
Yeah.
Story of my life.
You know what I mean?
That's great.